everyone, so I am going to show you how to actually take off your lashes at the end of the night. So this is probably one of my most asked questions when I do someone's makeup and they're trying lashes for the first time, or even for my clients that have had lashes before but didn't necessarily take them off the correct way. No dry ripping. That means if I just went like this without even emulsifying anything at all to take off a lash, that is how you can take out your lashes, and it hurts. So don't hurt yourself. Just do it this way. So I either have eye makeup remover. I like the NARS Gentle Oil-Free Makeup Remover. This is great. Or if you don't have eye makeup remover, or if you don't have, you know, anything like that, you can use cold cream. It's cheap. Go to the drugstore, get it. Amazing. Or just use any lotion you have. So I'll show you this on one eye and this on the other eye. So I use the Shiseido cotton, which is super gentle, amazing cotton, and it's about 10 bucks for like a big pack. Definitely worth the price. My skin is so much happier using nicer cotton than when I use just any old cotton. Okay, get product on the cotton pad. And then I just like to let it sit. Ooh, see, it's already coming off. And then out to in. Boom, done. Easy as pie with minimal irritation, and honestly my eye feels great. Doesn't hurt at all. Okay, so with this one, generally what I'll do is I'll use Q-tips. So I just get a bunch of product on here, and this is with any lotion. You can either just rub the lotion on your eye. Generally, if it's just a really nice soft lotion, it's not going to hurt your eye if you get it in there. So this is generally a little messier. All right, I will then go in with a cotton pad to kind of take off any excess. And then, ooh, it's still not coming off totally. I'll go back in with my Q-tip. There we go. And as you saw both times, I pull from the outer corner and then go in. The reason for that is because it is a lot easier to grab the false lash from this side than from this side. When you pull this side, you may grab one of your lashes, and these are just ways to avoid any pain at all for yourself. So easy. And then take off the rest of your makeup. So normally I'll do that step before I wash my whole face. It just makes it a little easier, a little less messy, so that I'm not just rubbing it all over. I can just take them off. And then if you want to reuse your lashes, which you can, just go in with your eye makeup remover or whatever, just clean them off and then kind of blot them so they don't have any oil on them, because if you try to use them again, they're a little oily, the glue's not really gonna stick. So yeah, so I hope you guys found that helpful, and I can't wait to make up all of you beautiful ladies out there, or gentlemen, whoever, and help you find your perfect lash, and then you can see this video for how to take them off. All right, bye.